everyone, today I have a great project for beginner. This is a beginner friendly crop cardigan. So if you're a beginner and you have never needed a cardigan before and wants to learn, we have a free video tutorial that you can watch. We'll show you from beginning to end how to make one of these. This is crop cardigan, and this is made with our merino number 5. Merino number 5 is 100% merino wool, so it's very soft and warm, and this is super chunky, so it goes very fast. It doesn't take much time to make one of these. It can be a great learning tutorial video for you. So we'll show you how to pick up the stitches, pick up the neckband. You will find it very easy, super easy. But also if you're experienced knitter wants to take in a very fast project, this can be the good one for you. So I'm wearing lavender. Yeah, lavender. This is very light pastel purple. I have a few more colors I can try on for you. This is a great cardigan for you can wear over a jeans. I'm wearing denim skirt, but you can definitely wear over a dress. So this is cropped, super cute. And this color is a spicy hot pink. This is same size I was wearing before. This is a small medium. This is pop color. And this is bigger size, medium large. See, this is a little longer and wider. And this is one of our tweed, and it's called Stardust. Cute.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.